This is Gabriel Blackbelt AC and Electrical. I'm here at this home that the homeowner had one of the big contractors redo her AC system and to include her ductwork. She's complained that the house never cooled properly even after they did the work. I can see the reason why. This is real bad craftsmanship overall. You can see some of the insulation over there sticking out. You can see the splice they made here that's not even properly sealed. I'm going to be redoing her whole duct system, but this is a before video, and I'll be showing the after once we get done. Okay, this is the indoor unit. See, we added a large filter base, so the homeowner just has to change out the filters once every 6 months. They're two 16 by 25s, 4-inch thick. We added a space run here so better airflow, and this is that one hole you saw up there. This is part of it right here. And this is going on the other side of the house because originally the return was just on one side, which is down here. So the unit was real loud. By us adding this, the unit is going to quiet down tremendously, and the homeowner is going to see a huge difference on her comfort level. This is the typical junk that we come across on about 99% of all the homes. This is very inefficient. Typical cheap contractors that do this, they charge you full price and they give you low quality. This is what we're installing on this one. This is going to be coming out of the furnace from here, and then it's going to shoot up this way for about another 8 more feet of plenum, which is the plenum, the silver box over there. We got the boards over there. So this is just going to be a before and after. This is the after here. This is somewhat the finished product what we had before. Still not finished yet. We still got to support the flex up, but see the huge difference there was before and after. The homeowners already advised me they've seen a difference. Yesterday we turned on the unit. We're not done yet. We're adding more returns right there. We had another return, but the homeowners already advised me they've seen a huge difference to what they had before.